How to screen mirror iPhone 15 series to Smart TV wirelessly. Let's get started. First, check if your Smart TV supports AirPlay 2. Most modern TVs from brands like Samsung, LG, Sony have AirPlay built in. If your TV does not support AirPlay, consider using a third-party device like an Apple TV or a casting dongle such as Chromecast. Make sure your iPhone and Smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for wireless communication. On an iPhone, swipe down from the right corner of the screen to open Control Center. In the Control Center, tap on the screen mirroring icon. It looks like two overlapping rectangles. A list of available AirPlay-compatible devices will appear. Tap your Smart TV's name from the list. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code displayed on your TV screen into iPhone to establish the connection. Once connected, your iPhone screen will appear on the screen. You can now mirror apps, photos, videos, or even games. To stop screen mirroring, open the Control Center, tap the screen mirroring icon and select Stop Mirroring. By following these steps, you can easily screen mirror your iPhone 15 series wirelessly, enjoying a seamless viewing experience for videos, presentations, or gaming. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.